Hello and welcome back to Unique Creations. Today I just want to share another wellness shot that I take every morning. Not every morning because sometimes I forget to take it in the morning. I'll take it at night. But it's best to take before breakfast. So it's only 2 ingredients. Olive oil, which I have my olive oil here in my container, and lemon juice. So I've already squeezed one of my lemons because I keep my little container here that I put my juice in. And I take a shot every morning or when I remember throughout the day, because I also take other shots. But this lemon juice, it helps to detoxify the liver. So it's really good for that. And also lemon juice, it has vitamin C and it helps straighten the immune system, which is really good. The olive oil supports digestion and keeps things running smoothly in your gut. Also, olive oil is heart healthy, and it's also an antioxidant, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. So these two mixed together are definitely a powerhouse, olive oil and lemon juice. I know I've tried it before. I've put a little pinch of cayenne pepper in my mixture before too. You can also do that. But I just wanted to show you guys about the lemon. I hope I didn't say lime because I keep saying lime, with lemon and the olive oil. So what I do is I take me a tablespoon of olive oil and I put it into my glass here. Just a tablespoon. Forgot I had something in this oven. So tablespoon olive oil. And do me a tablespoon of lemon juice. And I also do lemon water throughout the day. Mix it up. Take it just like you're taking a shot or something. That's why it's called the shot. Not much. You don't have to take much of it. And I know that this actually is good for someone suffering from constipation also. So I'll take my shot now. And there you have it. Lemon juice and olive oil. Just wanted to share that shot with you all. It's for heart healthy. And I know a couple of years back I had I've been diagnosed with some heart problems. And I've been keeping myself healthy ever since. I was trying to stay healthy before then, but I've been doing all type of different things. And I make a lot of my own homemade stuff now, and I'm really into these herbs big time. Just wanted to share with you guys. Thanks for visiting my channel. If this is your first time, please hit the like, share, also subscribe button. I want to thank all of my subscribers that stuck with me. Thank you all for watching my channel, for sharing my channel. To all of you all, to God be the glory. Have a beautiful and blessed day today. And try to stay cool because it's hot out there.